This is day 1 of 3D printing random things for 3D printing content creators. Today we're printing something for the 3D printing dudes. I think I'm gonna make a lithophane for them. Let's go over to Maker World or Maker Lab. Yeah, whatever it's called. Here we go, lithophane. Nice. Now we wait. Nice. Oh, I just realized I'm running out of white filament. I think that's also not enough. You know what? I'm just gonna export the G-code file and put it to my 3D printer because I can't wait. I can't wait to get new filament. So yeah. I don't know if the filament will be enough. I hate to say that, but I think I'm gonna make it tomorrow because tomorrow I'm gonna get new filament. So yeah. I hate part 2 videos, but unfortunately I can't do something else about it.